Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is the auspicious day of Mahanavami and I am going to show you guys the kind of foods, the special foods that we prepare during this auspicious day. And this day is being celebrated in way throughout the country. So if you go to the state of West Bengal, it is celebrated differently. If you go to the state of Odisha, it's being celebrated differently. And in Tamil Nadu also is celebrated in a unique way. So I am going to be showing you guys the Tamil Nadu style of it and the kind of food that we make on this day. I might not be able to show you guys the entire dish that we're preparing today. I am gonna only show you guys two special dishes that we make on this auspicious day that we give as an offering to the Lord. Before we get started, as usual, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss on any of my contents. And I am addicted to food and travel, so you can expect any videos related to food and travel on my channel. And so let's get started. Hey guys, morning. It's 7 o'clock today. I woke up and I have had my coffee, so it was really refreshing. And now we'll head to the kitchen and see what's in store for us today.
Navratri special வந்து கருப்பு கொத்துக்கடலை சுண்டல். அப்புறம் கோதுமை ரவையில் வானாவரம் கோவிலில் வந்து பிரசாதம் கொடுத்தோம்.
சரி,
அதுதான் பண்ண போகிறேன் பிரசாதம் நைவேத்தியத்துக்கு.
ஓகே. So this is godumai ravai, and we are just sauteing the godumai ravai in some ghee. So in English it is called broken wheat. I'm not sure. I'll put out the name in English somewhere here. So this godumai ravai we are gonna be sauteing it in some ghee, and this is used for sweet. For me, this is going to be the base for the sweet that we're going to prepare today.
அது 200 கிராமுக்கு 3 டம்ளர் தண்ணி. நான் வந்து 400 கிராம் போட்டிருக்கேன். 6 டம்ளர் தண்ணி விடணும். சரி. மாதிரி வெந்த பின்னாடி இந்த வெள்ளத்தை அதில் கொட்டி சக்கரை பொங்கலுக்கு கிளறுற மாதிரி கிளறணும். சரி. இது நல்லா வேகும்.
So my mother-in-law is taking out jaggery. It's been beaten jaggery actually, so she's going to beat it again. So that if you beat it, what happens is it becomes into just tiny particles and you can easily cook with it. Now we are going to be putting the jaggery. The wheat is pretty cooked now, so this is the stage where you can put the jaggery and stir it out a bit so that the jaggery is perfectly dissolved. நல்லா கலருக்கு வரைக்கும் இது கலந்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும்ல.
ஆமாம், அடிப்பிடிக்கணும். நல்லாட்டா
கலர் சேஞ்ச் வர்றது வரைக்கும் கலரணும்.
பொங்கல் கலர் கொண்டு.
சரி, ஓகே.
சக்கரை பொங்கல் கலர் கொண்டுடும்.
சரி. So these are some cardamoms. Now she is going to be grounding the cardamoms like she has grounded the jaggery. So we are going to be adding a handful of coconut to when it reaches this color, this brownish color. This is the color that you should be looking for. And then stir out a bit more so that the coconut is pretty sweet. In the tawa we will be adding some ghee. Heat it up now. The cashews are there. It's getting heated up. We are going to be putting some kismis. Now we'll put some cardamom on top of it. Oh, nice. We have put some mustard seeds.
கொஞ்சம் மஞ்சத்தூள், காரத்துக்கு இதில் பச்சை மிளகா போடலை, மிளகாத்தூளும் மல்லித்தூளும் கலந்தது அதை போடுறோம். காரமாக வேணும்னா கொஞ்சம் தூக்கலை போட்டுக்கலாம். அடுத்தது உப்புத்தூள் தேவைக்கு நல்லா வதக்கணும். அந்த தண்ணி இல்லாதக்கு நல்லா ஈரம் உறிஞ்சிற அளவுக்கு நல்லா வதக்கணும். பொடிச்ச தேங்காய்
most of our cooking, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. So I'll see you guys later. Say good morning to our viewers. I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching it. I hope you guys understood some of the things that we follow here in Tamil Nadu. So thank you for watching, and please do like and share it across with your friends. And until next time, it's Sai signing off. Bye bye.